than 80 years, Capital Blue Cross provides peace of mind that you're covered when you need it most. Here and in all 50 states, especially at times like these. See what Capital Blue Cross can do for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. For your safety, we ask that you remain seated. Keep your head and hands inside the car during the entire ride, and refrain from smoking. Today we will travel 10 miles an hour, offering you panoramic views of Hershey Park. To your right, you'll see some of our thrilling coasters in the hollow, including our oldest wooden coaster, Comet. The hollow is also home to our first looping steel coaster, Super Duper Looper, and Sky Rush, a guest favorite. If you listen closely, you may hear the roar of Great Bear. The sound of this inverted coaster is created by the unique track structure indicative of this type of roller coaster. We're now entering Kissing Tower Hill. Perched atop the highest point in Hershey Park. Here you will find Hershey Triple Tower, the first choose your thrill triple tower in the United States. However, the focal point of this area is the 330-foot Kissing Tower. The cabin windows are shaped like our world-renowned Hershey's Kisses, first manufactured here in 1907. Speaking of Hershey's products, explore the many wonders of chocolate at Hershey's Chocolate World, featuring the free Hershey's Chocolate Tour ride and create your own candy bar attraction. Afterward, shop at Hershey's largest candy store for one-of-a-kind gifts and souvenirs. It's not only the roller coasters and chocolate that make Hershey sweet. Hershey Park supports Milton Hershey School in its mission of helping students lead happy, healthy, and fulfilling lives, just as our mutual founder Milton S. Hershey intended. Learn more at mhskids.org. We are now passing the site of the original Hershey's Chocolate Factory, started by our founder Milton Hershey in 1905. Today, the Hershey Company is the leading North American manufacturer of quality chocolate and non-chocolate confections. Below us, you'll see ZooAmerica, a year-round 11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. ZooAmerica is committed to the conservation of North American wildlife and habitats. Visit with one of our zoo educators to learn more about the variety of conservation initiatives we have established and implemented to ensure species survival and habitat maintenance. Entry is included in your one-price admission. Enter through the bridge connecting Hershey Park and ZooAmerica. We are now entering Pioneer Frontier. Ahead, you will see Trailblazer and Dry Gulch Railroad. 2 rides perfect for the whole family to enjoy. Whether it's a refreshing time at the Boardwalk Water Park or an exciting day of coasters and rides, Hershey Park truly has something for everyone. Plus, Hershey Park is not just open for summer fun. Enjoy coasters, fun, and Hershey Park Happy during Halloween and Christmas with Hershey Park in the Dark and Hershey Park Christmas Candy Lane. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then exit towards the rear of the platform.